In the quiet shadows of Thebes, a little-known tomb hides a Floodscribe who mapped every annual Nile surge with astonishing precision. His clay tablets chart the river's moods, guiding farmers to plant and harvest with uncanny timing long before official calendars existed. As the papyrus layers unfold, a pattern of monumental floods and droughts emerges, linking temple offerings to agrarian cycles and priests to the city's survival. Villagers whisper that his maps saved lives when a record drought tested the kingdom's resilience. The tale endures as a tribute to quiet expertise beneath the shadow of towering pyramids.